Boreshield ARO is a composite wrap constructed with a fiberglass filler and a water-activated polyurethane resin. It is supplied in 30-foot long rolls in either 6-inch or 12-inch widths and packaged in non-porous mylar bags. The application of the protective wrap requires a team of 3 or more people and is often guided by a specific wrap plan. Before beginning, it is important to remember that safety glasses and protective gloves and clothing should always be worn and that the surface should be prepared in advance. The composite wrap is most easily removed from the protective packaging by slitting 2 edges of the bag with either a knife or scissors. Secure the roll by placing your fingers inside the core ends. Pull the packaging away from the roll and discard. Next, locate the end of the outermost protective plastic film. Unwrap from the roll and discard. This process will reveal the end of the composite wrap. Note that the wrap is sensitive to water moisture in the air, and the application should be completed within 2 minutes of removing the bag. Locate team members on opposite sides of the pipe. Orient the roll such that the wrap comes off the bottom of the roll as it is installed. Unwrap approximately 18 inches of the roll and thoroughly spray with water. Press firmly against the pipe surface and begin to apply the composite by pulling the roll around the pipe circumference. Take care to maintain the roll under tension and near the pipe surface at all times. In addition, the wrap should be continuously sprayed with water throughout the application to uniformly activate the resin. Consult the wrap plan for details of the wrap geometry, number of plies, and overall coverage. Once fully unwrapped, press the tail firmly against the pipe such that it fully overlaps an underlying layer. Starting at the opposite end, apply the compression film tightly over the composite wrap. Through a combination of overlapping and spiraling, look to apply about 4 layers of film in all places. As with the composite wrap, it is best to keep the roll of compression film close to the pipe when applying. Once fully compressed, perforate the compression film uniformly across the surface. It is only necessary to apply enough pressure to penetrate the film. Uniform perforation will be evidenced by an even distribution of beads of water and resin arising across the entire surface. After approximately 2 to 3 hours, the compression film can be removed. It is recommended that the film be slit along the pipe length and be removed circumferentially in a single step. It can be helpful to snap the compression film away from the pipe surface in segments to break off cured bits of resin on the surface of the film. Discard the compression film.